Hello and welcome to today's free trading video and market analysis. I'm your host, Kenny, Senior Research Analyst with the MiniAnalyst.com. The first thing we're looking at here is a chart of the market. This is actually our swing system 5.0. Wow. As you can see, putting up some monstrous winners. A gain of, let's see, 97.50 all the way up. We'll call that a little bit of a scratch. We'll call it 10,300, 500 points. In the Dow just since October 30th. We'll call it November 1st. So in about 5 weeks, 500 points, plus a little bit of a scratch trade. As you can see right now, just jumping back to the short side on this, actually 8th day, but this will be the video for the 9th, Wednesday, but today's Tuesday, the close of trading today. So what we're going to look at here is a chart of the market. This is the cash market, the S&P 500 index, and as you can see, we've had a very impressive coiling formation just as we bump up against the very round 1100 level. One would argue the 1000 level is significantly more psychologically round, but the 1100 level is proving to be quite a favorable amount of resistance. The market is just simply struggling to get above that and trying to essentially regain the strength after just taking a breather essentially for the last 5 to 6 weeks, and to regain the energy to have a breakout or what could be a breakdown. As you can see, we are still officially bullish on the market. As you can see, we went to bullish on our official market timing basis at 961 on this, the 23rd day of July, and have held that for a gain of 130 points. Now, this, of course, is our official market timing, what we give to you guys, the subscribers to our free trading video and market analysis. And there you can see an open gain of 130 points, almost to the number. 961 to 1091.94 was the close on this Tuesday, the 8th of December. But as you can see, we are struggling to break higher. So, well, trend usually wins out, overtakes the path of least resistance, which in this case would be the horizontal significance of the 1100 level. But as you can see, we are short-term bearish now with this moderate continuation of an ET sell signal. This is kind of a hybrid ET sell signal, high level in nature, so it certainly could reverse to the upside, and we will see if that does happen. And but as you can see, we are 20% bearish in the short term, still 30% overwhelmingly bullish from a trend following perspective on the market. Intermediate term bullish from a momentum perspective is actually gray status. We are short term bearish in terms of momentum. As you can see, a very nice divergence here. Price is at a new high. Price is at a new high right there, and we're just having a nice divergence, actually sliding into the negative territory on the bearish side. So momentum is certainly suggesting to us that we could move lower, but of course we are high level with new term highs. We're at a high level, so one could argue that should we get a break to the upside, this will quickly move to the upside. From a directional movement perspective, given all this chop, you could imagine mostly neutral. Short-term bullish remains, although that should be gray status given the recentness of the descent here, and actually a new term low in terms of the bullishness, but intermediate term neutral as well. That's black or gray, doesn't matter since it's neutral bias, but as you can see, we do remain officially bullish. Should we get a move back below the 1078 level, we'll start to get kind of interested in the bearish side, may even move to neutrality. We'll call it below 1075. The recent low was 1083.74 in the cash. We're at 1092 right now, so we'll see where we go. But what's also interesting is if we take a look at the some sentiment indicators that we'd like to look at. This is equity call ratio along with the VIX. Been some pretty good indications, as you can see here. You essentially want to buy, from a contrarian perspective, you want to buy all the fear and, of course, sell all the greed. I mean, what better thing is there to do than buy low and sell high? So take advantage of these sell-offs. As you can see right now, we break above the trend, the Bollinger Band, the upper band, right there. Here's the buy signal right here and a close. Boom, nice move up there. Another buy signal right here. Again, taking advantage of the turn in fear. Buying right there. Boom, another nice move up. If you could look at the VIX, essentially almost the same scenario. Beautiful outside bar reversal to close below the low of the high day, the prior high day right there. Buy signal, buy signal. That's how it works. But as you can see, what's interesting is we have simply coiled in to essentially the mid-range. As you can see, there are no indications in terms of sentiment, in terms of option plays, no indications in terms of the VIX, the volatility indications. So we are essentially flatlining. As you can see, the bands have started to constrict to one another, suggesting that there will be some significant moves likely to come. And so we'll kind of keep an eye on that. Should we get a break to the upside? We actually saw a break to the upside right here, but didn't really follow through. So now that we've had this coiling action, should we see a break to the upside, this will actually suggest that the market is going to go markedly lower. And then, of course, we'll wait for it to come back down and suggest that the market has bottomed out, and that'll be another buy signal. But we'll just keep an eye on that for you right there. But we're actually going to look. We had entered a contest the other day, and for Strategy Runner, as you guys know, we love Strategy Runner, use their products for many years, and they had a contest which was to test their new iRunner web trading platform. And so we entered the contest, our Master Trading Room entered the contest. There you see Master Trader, and actually finished in the top 10, which wasn't great. It would have been nice to have won it, but congratulations to Doko right there. I think they made $7,000 for the day. We finished at 43.8750. And this, of course, they're traded three markets: gold, the euro, crude oil, the euro, and the mini S&P. As you can see, we made money in all three of those. $2,600 trading the euro, actually, $1,200 trading the mini crude, and about $600 trading the ES, which is a significantly more difficult market to trade. So just kind of gave us an idea to go ahead and revamp our trading room to offer trading of 5 markets, so you can actually trade in our master, which are mini analyst scalpers trading room, the master trading room. You can trade the S&P 500, trade gold, we trade bonds, we trade the euro, and we trade oil. So we've actually added gold and the bonds in there, and as you can see, here's a snapshot of this was actually trading today in the market, and as you can see, this is actually live right here, up 74.5750. And this is actually, we just went ahead and took that and put it on the website. Oh, you know what? We forgot to look at, I'm so sorry. Let's go ahead and minimize that. We actually forgot to look at the intraday dynamics of the market. We're going to take a quick look. Beautiful setups lately. Just the problem with the market lately is the bulls continued, the retail clients continue to bid up the market in the morning, and the pros just come in and sell it. As you can see, a very nice divergence was the case last week. Sold that completely down. It was a beautiful trade setup. And as you can see today, again, yesterday, bearish indications. Don't buy these moves. Wait for the breakdown. Continuation move today on Tuesday, broke down, sells right back into the trend. As you can see, all bear or a divergence there. The bears have really maintained control of the market. But back to what we were saying, so that's the intraday biases. Don't have much time here. And so there, if you're interested in trading along with the Master Trading Room, you can actually do that. You can essentially log in any time of the day you want, see where our accounts are positioned for in trading both the euro, the S&P, the bonds, crude, and gold. And as you can see, a nice day today. 27.70 for the this, of course, gold. Crude made $400. Trading the bonds made $1,500, $2,200 in trading the euro. And the S&P's bringing up almost the rear at up $500 for the day. If you guys are interested in that, you can go to the bottom and just click Add to Cart for the Master Trading Room. It's actually $500 a month, but what we're going to do now is, if you want to enter promo code MASTER, you can actually save $200 as kind of an introductory thing for the trading room. We'll see how it goes. $300 for just 1 month. You can subscribe to it on a monthly basis. Enter that promo code and you'll save $200 and follow right along with the Master Trading Room. So if you have any questions, go to the website, chat with the support team live. If you have any questions about the trading room or what have you, or certainly our auto trading systems as well, and or shoot us an email to admin@MiniAnalyst.com. And hope you enjoyed it, and we'll see you next time.